I am Dr. Margaret Francis, an educationist and social worker as well. ఇప్పుడు నేను ఫస్ట్ టైం ఓటర్స్ కి అడ్రస్ చేస్తున్నానండి. ఫస్ట్ టైం ఓటర్స్ అట్ ఫస్ట్ లెవెల్, ఐ కంగ్రాచులేట్ యూ ఫర్ కమింగ్ ఇన్ టు ద మైల్ స్టోన్ ఆఫ్ civic journey. It is a big achievement. And first time excitement అనేది ఉంటుంది, first time nervousness అనేది ఉంటుంది, and there will be a mixed kind of emotions because you're going to cast your vote for the first time. And the current situation in our country, and you as youngsters, I'm sure you are aware, your vote matters a lot. One single vote can change the entire future of our nation, and your one single vote can also become a collective effort in changing the trajectory of our democracy. Do you know what is happening in our country currently? Our youngsters are totally cut off from the current existing situation that is happening. We are so caught up with our what you call the WhatsApp messages on entertainment platform, social media on entertainment, with this kind of stuff. But what is happening in the society, in the country, where the nation is progressing towards the election, and you being the first time voters, if you do not know the situation of our country, I'm sure this will be the last time voting, because democracy in our country is on the threshold of breaking. Tanashahi ka situation is emerging because the very governance in our country is moving towards dictatorial kind of standards. Today our government is speaking about religion, speaking about faith. Their manifestos are all based on division, polarization. You have to look out for a candidate who is working to remove poverty, abolish poverty, ameliorate poverty, bring about employment for youngsters, and trying to build social justice and safeguard our Indian constitution. Today you are enjoying your fundamental right. Tomorrow, if you are not aware of these current situations, there is a threat that the constitution can also go to a threshold of bringing about a major change if you do not choose the right candidate for bringing our country's progress. So the first time voters, you become our voice bank, and you start propagating the conditions of our current situation in our country, and bring all the first time voters to vote for right candidate that will strengthen our nation, build our nation, support us, and work in building unity in diversity, and building up the very element of our constitution: sovereignty, secularism, equality, solidarity, and these kind of principles based on which our country can move forward for more progress and more growth. So your vote matters a lot. Vote for your right candidate who will bring all of these dimensions in the progress of our nation and not in the destruction of our nation. Thank you.